Okay, now we're in number 59. This is a heavily tiled ranch, so we're going to move down into the kitchen. The kitchen has original wood cabinets, lots of storage here. We've not seen a basement, so that's one thing to keep in mind. And the kitchen, you'll enter the home either through the front door or through the attached garage. So here's the attached garage, and coming in to your kitchen. Nice, good-sized kitchen, and I would feel this would be the dining area next to the kitchen. And you see the vents in the ceiling. This is for the oil and central air, which is built into the attic. This is the living room. A lot of tile here. We do see some questionable conditions of the tile. This one here, you can see I'm standing on this tile, and you can see how this tile moves. So this is what happens when you do not put hardy backer underneath your tile. Very important. Okay, so now we'll be moving into the master bedroom. More tile. This one feels very firm. I'm going to look outside too. This is the backyard of the house. Here's the road. You can see the road. There is a river here, a nice rock outcropping, and the side yard. It's very attractive backyard, and little seating area in the patio. In the master bedroom, we have the full bathroom here with a step-in shower. It's a little tight coming around this corner, but you know, and here's the walk-in closet. So if you're walking, it's not an issue. And coming out of the master bedroom, we're going to go to the common full bathroom, which is tiled as well. Nice mosaic here with the washer and dryer. I think this has a good opportunity to replace this with a step-in shower and expand the door frame to 36 inches to make this an accessible bathroom. Back into the living room, we have the second bedroom. It's great condition. You know, everything's in really fine condition. It's just the, you know, it's just the tile. It's just a little bit uneven. It's definitely something that could be resolved. You could take the tile up and put new support under it, put hardy backer. Here we get another look outside the house. This is the third bedroom. And coming out, nice brick face here. So we have 4 bedrooms, and this is an interesting room too. This is like a family room because you have this area for the fireplace. Okay? At the fireplace with the cathedral ceiling, nice wood ceiling here, and more tile, nice closet. And this goes into a small office. I perceive this to be an office. As we look out of the front of the house, you can see that the yard is enclosed. It's a nice enclosed yard, which gives you some privacy. You do see the interstate highway over there. You can see the trucks going by. So there is the highway noise, but it is an attractive property. And there's another house directly on the other side of the wall too. So got the built-up gardens here, and so it's a really nice ranch with no basement and lots of tile. Nice place for a wood stove, and you know, I think it's an attractive place. And the only issue I can see is really the location being close to the highway, but lots of people live close to the highway. It would be priced into the purchase price, and it would be reflected in the sales price as well in the future. So the major work here is rebuilding the tile floor. This is David Carr, the foundation of your success in real estate. This is one of my video tours that I provide for my clients, so they don't have to come to the showing if they can't. And I try to pick out all the good points and the points of question so that it's more efficient for them.